Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to clean Invisalign properly so that your teeth always remain stain free. Make sure to save this playlist to your account so that you can always easily access my Invisalign videos. I've been wearing these same trays for 10 days now. It's the perfect day to show you all how I clean my teeth, how I clean my Invisalign trays, and then I'll show you all my reaction to putting on a fresh new set of Invisalign trays. You have to be wearing your Invisalign for 22 hours, at least 22 hours out of the day, which means you only have 2 hours a day to eat and drink all that your heart desires. You can drink water while you're wearing your Invisalign, but that's the only thing that you can drink while your Invisalign is in your mouth. I will be showing you how to develop new eating habits so that you're not hungry all throughout the day while you are going through your Invisalign treatment. I'm gonna run out and get some Chinese food, and then when I come back, my teeth will be nice and ready for my extended cleaning routine for Invisalign treatment. I'm back from dinner and I am ready to go ahead and do my total cleaning routine on how I clean my Invisalign as well as how I clean my teeth to get them ready to go back into the Invisalign tray. You all will get to see what it's like putting on an Invisalign tray for the very first time. I am about to go into my third tray, so you'll be able to see my reaction of what it's like putting on the Invisalign tray. So, the very first thing that I do when I'm getting ready to clean my mouth to go back into my Invisalign tray is I use a total mouthwash. So this mouthwash is alcohol free. It's the Crest Pro Health Advanced Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash. And it's really important for you to get an anti-cavity type of mouthwash or toothpaste because you don't want to get cavities while you are using Invisalign. So this mouthwash, like I said, is alcohol free. It also kills bad breath germs. It fights against cavities, freshens breath, repairs weakened enamel, cleans the whole mouth, and it strengthens teeth. I don't like germs, especially now while we have the COVID-19 going on. I definitely do not like germs, especially when it's something that's in my mouth already. So I try to be as clean as possible. And of course, always wash your hands before you start. We just rinsed our mouth with the Crest Advanced mouthwash. And the next thing I do is go ahead and brush my teeth. Now, I have the Oral-B Sonic, I believe this is the Sonic Care toothbrush. And I like this brush because it tells you, if your teeth still need more cleaning, and it gives you a timer that basically tells you how long you need to brush your teeth for. Typically, you need to make sure that you're brushing your teeth for at least 2 minutes and also rinsing your mouth for at least 30 seconds. If you don't want to get this toothbrush, that's fine. Electric toothbrushes are great, but I'm pretty sure that you could just probably use a regular toothbrush as well. I will show you all the toothpaste that I use to make sure that my teeth stay super duper white while I'm wearing my Invisalign. And don't judge me for the way my toothpaste looks, but I do use the Colgate toothpaste, the Optic white toothpaste. And this toothpaste says that it's a stain fighter. So when you go to your toothpaste aisle, make sure you check out the Colgate toothpaste. So I go ahead and use the Optic white toothpaste in order for me to keep my teeth looking white and not staining while I'm wearing my Invisalign. Now by this stage, I do go ahead and use my flossers. These are just the Flosser and Pic that I got from Walgreens. These work perfectly fine. If not, you can just use the regular string dental floss. And I know some people really like to use the water pick. This is what I do when I wake up in the morning or right before I go to sleep at night. I go through all of the steps, but during the day, you know, if I have a snack or if I eat lunch or something like that, I just come back and brush my teeth, or maybe I just use the mouthwash and clean my mouth before putting my Invisalign trays back on.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you.
That's about it for my actual mouth routine. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you all how I actually clean my aligners. So what I do normally is I go ahead and put some of that Crest Optic white toothpaste on my toothbrush, and then I grab one of the aligners at a time, and I go ahead and kind of make sure I get some of that toothpaste right into the aligner itself before I turn on my toothbrush, and I basically just start to gently brush my aligner with the toothpaste. Make sure you get it all the way around. And then I go ahead and just rinse off my aligner using some warm water. And then I go right back over it and make sure I get any spots that I may have missed the first time. This helps to make sure all the toothpaste is out of the aligner before you put it back in. Don't forget that you're going to have to flip the aligner over and make sure you get the outer part of the aligner cleaned as well. And I don't use any additional toothpaste for that. I just use what's already still on my toothbrush. And then I go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other toothbrush. I get a little bit of toothpaste on my brush, and I hold my aligner and I go ahead and distribute the toothpaste around the aligner, and then I go ahead and start brushing the aligner. Give the aligner a little bit of a rinse, and then we can go back in and get all of the excess toothpaste out of the aligner. Invisalign aligners are pretty durable, so you don't have to worry about them breaking, but I would say just to be gentle, it's better safe than sorry at the end of the day. And don't forget to flip your aligner over and get the outer part of the tray. ahead and give the aligner another rinse and make sure you get out all of the excess toothpaste that may still be left over inside of the aligner. And that's it. Now you have clean aligners ready to go back into your mouth. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. We went ahead and we used our very first mouthwash, which we rinse our mouth with and use for overall protection. Then I went ahead and used my Oral-B toothbrush that I use with the Colgate Optic White. And I followed all that up with my flossers. Last but not least, I used the Crest Gum Care mouthwash. And then I washed off my aligners. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my new set, tray number 3 aligners. Now let's see how these aligners fit. Are they tight? Do they feel different? Let's see what happens. So first I'm going to put in my bottom set of aligners, which could be a struggle, so you all just bear with me. All right, so let's go ahead and see. Okay, so that is the bottom set. And as you can see, my lisp has returned. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my top set, and yes, it is definitely a lot tighter than it was. I'm going to go ahead and put on the top row. Wow. So these are definitely tighter. As you can tell, my lisp is back. You all heard my lisp in the first video, but I can definitely feel tightness in these new aligners. It was a lot harder to put the bottom row on than it was the top row, and just to make sure that the aligners were perfectly seated on my teeth, all of my teeth. So I have my next set of aligners in, and they feel really, really good. I'm definitely seeing a lot of progress, so I'm really excited about that. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me out more, doing a lot more vlogs and things like that. And yeah, let me know what you guys think so far of my videos and what other videos you may want to see on my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notifications. You can also follow me on my Instagram page at thatbizmodel. You guys will definitely enjoy that. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message or shoot me an email. All of that information is going to be in the description box below. So I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.